Hi, welcome to Lauren and Paul TV. Now we're here in Jacob's Well for crabbing. At the same time, do fishing.
This time we bought a tent that's a pop-up tent, so it will just take me seconds to set up the beach tent like this. There you go.
That was easy.
That was easy. And you just put it like that and we're done.
Well done.
Here we are again in our favorite fishing spot, but this time we're gonna do something different. I bought some crab pots. Today we're gonna go crabbing. I remember when I was little, my father taught me how to catch crabs. Who's that?
My family. My family!
A few moments later.
There are different kinds of crab pots that you can buy, but what we bought is a 2-ring crab pot. The concept here is when you pull the crab pot up like that, the legs of the crabs will just fall through the holes of the net and then you get your crabs. This is called a bait clip. What you do here is you skewer your bait through here and you lock the clip like that. When you put your crab pot in the water, your bait will stay in place. You also have a float here, and its purpose is to keep these 3 ropes afloat. If you don't have this, your rope will just lay like that, and if the crab was standing right there, when you pull the rope up, the crab will just fall over and you won't get the crab. I got here an extra GoPro, and hopefully we can get some nice footage of crabs or any other fish that might be eating in the water. Now it's time to set the trap. This is a good sign because I can see a crab right there now. Oop. Not sure if you can see it, but it's there. Okay, that's one. Okay, so that's all set. We got 2 traps. So that means we got 2 chances of catching at least 1 crab. So hopefully we get a crab after about 2-3 hours from now.
Andito kami ngayon sa Jacob's Well dahil mag-fishing and crabbing yung asawa ko while ako nagre-relax at nag-enjoy dito sa estuary Jacob's Well.
This time we brought a couple of fishing rod holders. Just skewer this in the sand and put your fishing poles or fishing rods in here, and that's it. You can just leave it alone until you catch a fish. I think this is big.
It is big. I think we can eat it. It's big, love.
Yes, sea bream. So it's about 27.
Yay!
27.
Woohoo!
So that was our first catch of the day. Let's see if we can catch some more fish.
Yes.
Hop, hop. Woohoo. Lovey. Woohoo. I knew it. I knew it. Woo. Woo. Ah.
Yes,
He's fighting. He's fighting.
he's fighting his way. Trying to let go.
Better reel him in.
Careful though, there's so many crabs now. Dako, oy. Dako, kaima.
Another one to measure.
Yeah, I think it's big. You don't need to measure. It's really big.
I think yeah, this is more than 25 centimeters.
Yes, it is more.
You have a friend now.
Yay!
While we're waiting, I just wanted to remind you about the our $100 giveaway from our previous video. So at the moment there's about 4,000 views now in Facebook. Or they're just liking, following our page, but they're not actually complying to the actual rules of the game. So they're not commenting the answer on the comment section. So I don't know, maybe they don't like the money or they just didn't understand the instructions. At the moment it's only about 20 people who are eligible to join the contest. It's good for them because the chances of winning is high, but I mean, I would like more people, so more people would have more opportunity to win the $200. And it's just easy. All you need to do is spend 5 minutes of your time, watch the video, comment, post, share, and follow our YouTube channel, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow our Facebook page. That's it. That's all you need to do, unless you don't want $100 or $200. All right, back to our crab pot. Nothing. Our crab pot. Oh, there's one small one. Oh. Okay, so that was our luck for today. I'm all packed up. Got 2 big sea breams in about 3 hours. Didn't catch any crabs, but it's fine. We'll try again the next time. At least we're gonna have a yummy dinner tonight. Sea bream. Maybe we're just gonna air fry, or maybe cook it with yeah, just butter, salt and pepper. That's it. Here's our catch for today. Nice big sea breams. Kind of want to keep them as a pet, but well, as long as you do responsible fishing, you know, don't overfish. Follow your local guidelines on how much fish you can catch. Okay, that's it. Thank you. That ends our vlog for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'd see our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.